Hi everyone, in this Blender video, I'll show you how to create a break cube animation using simple tools in physics. It's beginner friendly, and you'll learn how to use the Array Modifier in rigid body physics. Let's get started. First, press A to select everything in the scene, then hit delete to clear it all. Now, go to the Add menu, choose Mesh, and add a cube. With the cube selected, go to the Modifiers tab and add an Array Modifier under the Generate section. Increase the count to 5. This will duplicate the cube along the x-axis. Next, duplicate the Array Modifier. In this second one, set factor x to 0 and factor y to 1 to stack the cubes along the y-axis. Duplicate the Array Modifier one more time. This time, set factor y to 0 and factor z to 1 to stack vertically. Now, apply all 3 array modifiers to finalize the geometry. While the cube is still selected, switch to Edit mode. Press P and choose by loose parts. This separates each cube into its own object. Switch back to Object mode. Press A to select all the cubes. Go to the Object menu. Scroll down to Rigid Body and choose Add Active. This makes each cube a physics object that can move and collide. Now let's add a ground plane. Go to the Add menu, Mesh Plane, and position it just below the cubes. With the plane selected, go back to the Object menu, Rigid Body, Add Passive. This makes the plane a static surface that the cubes will fall onto. Now hit play and watch your cube break apart and fall realistically.
Please subscribe, like, and share. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.